Hello, my name is Amadi John from SpeedNet Nigeria Limited, and I am presenting. I want to introduce you to a customization that we did on Nigerian payroll. The customization was done on an ERP called Microsoft Dynamics AX. It's an ERP powered by Microsoft. Is one of the leading ERP applications in the market. It's a customizable, user-friendly, scalable application. It's an ERP, and just like every other ERP, it has so many vertical applications that has been collapsed into one application, like the HR, payroll, and full-fledged accounting merged together for helping an organization to run the company and take care of activities. All right. Having said that, the Dynamics AX 2012 actually came with a payroll, but is a US payroll that has unique US features that are not applicable in Nigeria. And so that informed our decision to go ahead to customize Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 to be able to produce a payroll for Nigerian usage. And that customization is based on the web aspect of the Microsoft Dynamics AX called the Enterprise Portal. The Microsoft Dynamics AX has a broad division into the server, the client, and then the web. Okay, which is the Enterprise Portal that we are talking about. So our customization is based on the Enterprise Portal. Excuse me. All right. So but for us to get to the Enterprise Portal, we need to first start up the client. After the client is started up, then we are sure that we can have access to the Enterprise Portal so that we can see the customization that we did. All right, we can start the client by just double clicking on this, and then the client is started up, and then you can see on the navigation panel here we have the modules that exist, that have been installed, that have been activated, licensed, that can be used. And this section is the details for each of the navigation objects. Like we have the home selected, and these are the properties, the details in the home navigation object. And this is the role center being displayed because that's the one that is active here. If you click on this, that's the area page. It shows you the area page. We're on the role center. If you click on this accounts payable, you will see that the details change here, and they change here as well. All right, so that's for the client. This is not what we are going into right now. So once the client is up and running, we can simply start the Enterprise Portal by going to the Internet Explorer, any other surfing software like the Google Chrome, Firefox, anyone. So, and once the Enterprise Portal is started, you have the role center. there are two sites that are included in the enterprise portal: the role center and then the employee services. What we are dealing with is the role center. That's the one we're dealing with, and that's where our customization is. So we have the menu bar containing the menu items on this enterprise portal that came with enterprise portal. Then if you check at the extreme, you'll see payroll ngn, and select it, and that is our customization. And as you can see, it still has the menu bar here, the panel here. It has the navigation panel. We call it the quick launch bar, containing the modules that we have made available here, collapsible and expandable. You can see. So we have 5 navigation objects or modules that we have created here: the inquiry, reports, transaction, cards, setup. And the screen that is open at the details section here is the under the setup is the earning, and it's because it's the one that was selected at the start as the startup page, and that is why it's shown here. Any other one you use as a startup page is what will be shown here. Alright, so this is the customization that we have done. This is the other side of it, where additional information they would call that is contained in fact boxes, and then the preview pan here, the preview panel here, the fact boxes here, that will show you additional information about what was being selected, the record or the file that is being selected in the details page. Alright, so in this introduction, we're going to be starting with the setup and the entries and the modules that are there in the next section of this tutorial. Thank you.